you to direct me.
Thank you. Alright, and you open it, it's
A coat closet.
alright, that's it.
And then further down, we have our garage. Do we go in there? You got it.
Okay, well, almost, I got this angle right. Okay, and then it's just one car.
Yeah, one car garage.
And do you mind open it, the garage?
Yeah. So you can see what's up there.
Yeah. Oh, the garage seems okay. It's in here. When you open it, you see there.
Yeah, and then there's actually a little bit of storage under the stairwell as well, and there's a tankless hot water here, right here as well. Get me to try to record it for you?
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't need to go there.
Alright. Okay, so flipping around. Here's our tankless hot water here. And then here is some additional storage.
And what's outside our parking on the right?
So it's the neighbors' grass. We have neighbors here. Looks like there's some additional parking.
Okay.
And then you have neighbors over here.